To create a character in Polybuzz, start by accessing the platform and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the character creation section, which is usually found in the menu or dashboard. The first step in creating a character is to choose a name. This should be unique and representative of your character. Consider the personality, traits, and background of your character when selecting a name. Next, select a species or race for your character. This could be human, animal, or a fantasy creature. Each species may have its own unique characteristics, abilities, and attributes. Now, customize the appearance of your character by selecting skin tone, hair color, and style, as well as facial features. You can also add accessories such as hats, glasses, or jewelry to make your character more distinct. After customizing the appearance, assign attributes to your character, such as strength, agility, and intelligence. These attributes will determine your character's abilities and performance in the game. Choose skills for your character. These could be combat skills, magical abilities, or crafting skills. Each skill may have its own level of proficiency, which can be upgraded as your character progresses. Finally, add a backstory to your character. This could include their history, motivations, and goals. A well-developed backstory will help to bring your character to life and make them more engaging. Best practices for creating a character in Polybuzz include being creative and original, considering the game's lore and setting, and balancing your character's attributes and skills. By following these steps and tips, you can create a unique and engaging character in Polybuzz.